We're at the beach. Who's at the beach, Donna? Oh, look at that. Eh? We've got the tents out in support of Ukraine. But who am I out with? Well, we'll see later on. So we've got the G20 Ion, the Lightwave tent, and we've got a little Keenflex. It's more like an Amazon budget tent. I tell you what, quite solid. Where are we? Tonight 3. I've already had one night up a hill next to a trig. Here, have a look. There's the wee birds making nests. And here's the wee Donner off to build her nest. Oh, it's me, I'm back out. I'm cured, I've beat the plague. Oh, boy, does it feel good just to be out. Now, the place I know well, I've been here several times. I've not posted a video from this side, so we'll just have a nice camp. It's no biggie to get there. It's Thursday before Good Friday, so it's a marvellous Thursday. Good Friday tomorrow, and then on Saturday it's my birthday. I'm off for a week and a bit. Last time I was off for a week and a bit and I was in this area, I succumbed to the COVID, didn't I? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Got a little Donner bad, it really did. Yeah. DVS was knackered. Normal service is just about resumed now though. I didn't get it chesty, I got a lot of headaches, flu-y for 3 to 4 days, and then lots of head problems, believe it or not. Right, do you want to have a look in these buildings? Right over here. So I don't know what they are. I think they're just old farming buildings. Well, I can have a little deek. Quite buzzy in here. It could be like a nest. So we could have like a buzzy stinging things nest. We've got the birds making nests, and then we've got little D's going up a hill for the pitcher nest. Yeah, just out farming stuff. No spectacular. That's a nice view though. Well, we're out and about. So I had no idea how good it feels to be out. I haven't camped for 3 weeks. 3 flipping weeks, man. Away. That is like forever. Oh, I have to watch myself. Yeah. I didn't think you shoot rabbits with them, do you? Goodness only knows. Yeah. Let's have a look then. I should have took my backpack off. Hey. I don't know, man. Try to get backpack off, lass. Aye. Tell you what, I'll take my pack off. We'll have a little tubby in there. Hold on. There's the view. Ah, well then. What have I got? Tell you what, got the look of the Irish here. That's a really good little bit of graph in it. Not far past Paddy's Day. Yep. Bored, what do? Get out. And the last one. I look few photos. And what it? So there's been a little bit of a cave in here. I've been watching a lot of Gold Rush Alaska lately. Now I would say they were down to pay dirt there. I'll be putting that through my trommel, sluicing and seeing what I got. Surely there's an ounce of gold in there. Oh, nice. That is as bushy as anything, said the actress to the bishop, or the bishop to the actress. What's in here? Not a lot. That looks more like World War II defences, doesn't it? Right. There we're gone. A little bit of an urban explore for you there. Oh, not much. I don't want to get all dirty. Christ, I don't know, man. 55. Get dirty. Be 56 soon. Get dirty, Donna. Sell into some, don't I? Yeah, man, I'm pretty filthy. 55, I'm 56 tomorrow. I'm going to scrat and run like an absolute little tramp. Oh, but I love it. Right, yes. Tell you what, get a nice freestanding tent on there. That's quite canny. There's a quarry behind us. Ooh. There's your quarry. There's no point in pitching in the quarry, just some nice flat spots in there. Going to get no sunset, no sunrise. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit sheltered. That's not for me really. I'm up the hill. There's a nice little trig. I'm going to pitch next to the trig. Nice level spot. Beautiful view. I'll see that way a little bit. But for now, little D. Oh man, she's back out. In a bit, peeps. Not so bad. And we're up there and up there some more. Whew. I just didn't take much film after that marvellous the speedy time lapse, because it was the first time I'd been out in a tent for about 3 weeks, and then it just started to drizzle and it was that lovely sound on the top of the tent, and I was listening to an audio book, and the night just got away. So that was all the footage I took of that one really. But tonight I'll not be taking much footage either, because I'm out with a pal. And we're just going to have a nice night. It's not often this lad comes out camping. That's probably given away. We're going to have a little fire. Why not? We're in Scotland. We're on a beach. We'll be totally respectful fire. Not often have fires. I'll be out looking for a bit of driftwood now for the burn. So Haha, great stuff. Oh, it's my birthday today. I've gone from 55 to 56 in the blink of an eye. Where am I? I'm at Yellow Craig at North Berwick. Life's good, eh? I'm videoing. That's one way to stop them waving. Yes, so I'm out with the prodigal tonight. That's my Perry. His birthday in a couple of weeks' time, maybe 27. So at the minute he's 26 and I'm 56. And we're quite like that. Just had the Rangers round. What is wild camping? Apparently we're doing alright. Says don't worry, I'm a professional. Turn into a lush day. Oh, and I'm forgetting the... Perry, what was the name of the cove where we are? Blackness Bay, that's where we are. It's called Blackness Bay. Just off Yellow Craig. That's not a bad sight. What is he doing? So that's camp. That's not a bad camp. Cracking nice weather. And happy days. Now seeing this is night 3. So I said I had night 1 up a hill in the Cooes Summit store. Last night I just had a van night because I knew I had to get Perry in. So I had a bit of a van sorted out, and night 3 10 suit with a lad. Yes. Idyllic. And tomorrow will be Sunday and I shall hopefully be heading for the Southern Uplands. We'll see what happens there. But for now, Little D reporting from... Yeah. Never get Perry on video. What are you on video?
Oh no.
Yes, what, have you got anything to say?
Fire.
Oh. Da da da. 12,000 years civilization. Yeah, no farming. Aye. Because we've just been discussing really important things, haven't we?
Aye.
Yeah. Right, in a bit. Doodles. 200,000 years for like humans.
Homo sapiens.
Homo sapien 2. Oh, hold on, there's the lighthouse is coming in. Hold on. You're not having to get that lamp boot, son.
No.
God, look at the state of my red fire face. Perry's bought a lovely lamp for to go camping when he does the Isle of Rum. Weighs a kilogram. With the batteries in, it's massive. Yeah. So not, as soon as the lighthouse sees Perry's lamp, they'll just turn themselves off and go, we've got the night off, lads. And Perry's like, oh, my back's hurting. Without a backrest. I says, you just want to stick your lamp up behind you, get a nice backrest off that, lad. Massive. Oh, happy birthday to Donna, happy birthday to Donna, happy birthday Davey, yes, happy birthday to me. Cheers, rich people. Tell you what, they haven't bought that one from Aldi, have they? Right, I'll stop. Ciao! Hey! So that's it. Day one of being 56. It's not been too bad. Loved the random fireworks show. I don't know which one of you has put that together for us, but yeah, cheers, thanks very much. Marvellous stuff. I can get myself to sleep now. It's been a pretty chipper day. I've been out camping for the second time ever. Wild camping for the second time ever, even though it's not that wild. With my Perry. Been lush. Right, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Night. And that's how you get sand out of your tent at the beach. You're welcome. That light wave looks quite nice with the orange in, doesn't it? Super nice night. We'll be leaving No Trace as always and heading down the road a bit. I'll catch you later. Toodles.